Hi folks, this is Sean with Malone Auto Racks. I want to talk about our Malone Seawing. This is one of our signature products. It's designed to carry one kayak hull side down on top of a car. It features single center point mounting that allows two kayaks on limited bar space, unlike other traditional four-piece saddle carriers. Center point mounting also allows better use of space, as some of the boat can overhang the edge of the bars. It's universal fit with Jaws hardware, so it fits the round, square, arrow, and factory installed load bars. It's fully equipped out of the box for one boat. It comes with 2 load straps, bow and stern tie downs, and features a lifetime warranty. Check us out at MaloneAutoracks.com, and thanks for watching.